Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings. Welcome to our educational channel. If you want to learn Arabic or improve your level in it, then you are in the right place. On this channel, we help non-native Arabic speakers learn the language in an easy, clear and organized way, starting from the basics all the way to advanced levels. I am Mohammed Noor, your Arabic language teacher. With us, you will learn the Arabic letters and how to pronounce them correctly, common vocabulary and expressions, forming sentences and daily communication, grammar rules explained in a simple way, listening, reading, and speaking skills. Our ultimate goal is for you to understand the Arabic language very well and to speak it with a great deal of confidence and fluency and use it easily in your daily life. This channel is specifically designed and aimed at both absolute beginners in learning the Arabic language and intermediate learners who wish to further develop their existing language skills. If you are genuinely interested in learning Arabic in a fun, engaging, and highly effective way, then this is definitely the right place for you to start your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all our updates. We wish you an enjoyable learning journey and welcome to our channel for learning Arabic. Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessings.